To submit the subsequent quarter claim, log in to the portal using your Maker credentials. Click on Return Filing and then on Submit Return. Select Ethanol Interest Subvention Scheme from the module name drop-down. Click on the Search button. All sugar mills with pending claims will be appear under the Pending tab and submitted claims will be available under Submitted tab. To submit the claim of any sugar mill for its subsequent quarter, click on the File Return button present against that sugar mill. 6 tabs will appear at the top where you need to enter data. Click on the Basic Info tab. All the information filled in previous quarter will be auto-fetched. In case if there is any change in information, change the same, else click on Save button. Once the form is saved, click on the Disbursement tab. Same as Basic tab, previous disbursement details will be auto-fetched. In case if any new disbursement is there, enter the same, else click on Save button. Next, click on the Repayment Schedule tab. In case if actual date of repayment is need to be entered, enter same and click on Save button. Click on the Calculation Sheet tab. Use the Add Row and Remove Row buttons to add or remove rows as needed. The previous data will be auto-fetched. Further, enter the subsequent data and click on Save button. Once the data is saved, click on the Summary tab. Verify the auto-populated data. If any corrections are needed, make them in the calculation sheet. If the data is correct, click on Save. Go to the Document Upload tab and upload all necessary documents: CA certificate, project completion certificate, utilization certificate, and DFPD approval letter. If the project is completed, select Project has been completed as Yes and upload the relevant documents. The same procedure applies for the utilization certificate. Note: if there is a delay in submitting the project completion certificate and utilization certificate, submit these supporting documents along with your claim. After uploading all information, click on Validate and Submit. Once validated, the form will be submitted to the bank checker.